Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do a very random haul. So I picked up products from different websites and I'm just going to accumulate all over here and going to show you what all products I picked up. So if you're interested, watch this. So the first product I have is the Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. You have to mix this with your base products जैसे फाउंडेशन है, BB या CC क्रीम. पर दूसरा यूसेज है कि आफ्टर आप अपना बेस खत्म कर लो, लाइक आफ्टर व्हेन यू फिनिश योर बेस मेकअप, यूज एज अ हाइलाइटर. मतलब जो पाउडर हाइलाइटर्स आते हैं उसके जगह दिस इज लाइक क्रीम हाइलाइटर. This is a glass bottle. The packaging is very and you get a pump here and this is the shade 01 natural tint. इसका और एक शेड है I guess और ये मुझे 279 रुपीज में this was for rupees 279 and I really like the packaging. tint बहुत neutral है. I think this will not suit dark deeper skin tone. मेरे पे भी it doesn't suit that much. So this is how the highlighter looks and yeah, this is how it looks. So next up is this Mousse foundation primer. So Mousse foundation lightweight होता है, so they have written that it is a lightweight foundation for everyday use and you won't feel that you are wearing foundation and it will give you a matte finish. So I have tried this. I have the shade 03 natural base. इसमें ज़्यादा shades नहीं है तो yeah, shade range is very limited. इसका packaging भी as you can see tube है and it actually feels that you are like if you are applying primer. बहुत ज़्यादा silicone है इसमें. I didn't see any coverage. as you can see कितना light है ये. It's very light as you can see. तो ये भी उनको ही सूट होगा जो बहुत लाइट स्किन है, लाइटर कॉम्प्लेक्शन है जिसका, तो उस पे ही ये शेड जाएगा. मेरे पे तो ये शेड नहीं जा रहा था. सो लाइक NC35 के नीचे वाले, NC35, NC40 के ऊपर जो होंगे उस पे तो ये सूट नहीं होगा. So next from Swiss Beauty, this is the matte lip ultra smooth matte liquid lipstick. Mauve pink शेड का नाम है. So this is very matte. मैंने ये पूरा हटा दिया है, उसके बाद मैं लगा रही हूँ. See, this is quite nice. The doe foot applicator भी बहुत अच्छा है and it is dark pink as you can see. It definitely settles down to a matte finish और ज़्यादा long lasting नहीं है अगर आपने कुछ खाया नहीं हो. तो अगर आप कुछ खा रहे हो, सपोज इफ यू आर ईटिंग समथिंग ऑयली, तो ये निकल जाएगी. इफ यू आर ईटिंग समथिंग ऑयली तो it will fade off from the middle of your lips. So next I have this one. This is the cleansing balm, natural antiseptic and healing, enriched with propolis. This is from the brand Earth Rhythm and as you can see I have used this much. So this is quite nice. Like if you have heavy makeup, waterproof makeup, you can definitely remove from this balm. So this actually works for double cleansing. Like you first cleanse your face with this and then you use your regular face wash. So yeah, so I bought this. So far I like this. They have a lot of variants in this cleansing balm, which I realized way later. I bought this. This is 100 gram of product and yeah, so far I like this. This easily gets, this is quite thick but you have to rub between your palms, give this a good and then apply to your face and it will definitely remove 90% of your makeup. So yeah, I really like this. This is expensive. This is for 599 rupees. So next I have products from the brand Rakhil I guess this is how it is pronounced. And I bought their hyaluronic acid, ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. This is the smaller version. They have the bigger tube as well, but this is the smaller tube. This is a 30 gram of tube for rupees 150. And so I wanted to try this. They had 3 different creams for different skin tones, for dry to normal to oily. So I wanted hyaluronic acid for my skin, so I bought this. And the next I bought this. Was this. This is the under eye cream, and this is 20 gram of product for rupees 500. And this is how the tube looks like. So I have dark circles right now. I have applied makeup, but I do have dark circles, and I keep trying under eye creams. Now I'm going to try this, and yeah, I have high hopes from this and this is made in India product. So yeah, I am looking forward to this. I am trying this. With this, they even gave me this gel hand sanitizer free. So next up is this lipstick from My Glam. This is the HD lipstick, Pose HD lipstick. Look at the packaging, guys. This is the outer cardboard packaging. I have the shade 08 Nude Mauve. Again, this is the packaging, quantity of the lipstick. This is the lipstick. This is the lipstick, guys. This nude lipstick with a hint of pink, and this is a very everyday kind of shade. This is a creamy matte lipstick, not on the matte side, more on the matte side and less on the cream side. So next is again from My Glam. This is the K Play lipstick, and this is the outer packaging. I have this shade Berry Blast, which I have shown in my first impressions video. Yeah, this is the shade. I have shown this, I have applied this in my previous video, so go check that video. I have shared my reviews on this lipstick, so if you're interested to know, you should check that video. So next from My Glam is this Pose HD Bronzer Duo. So this is the Duo. So on one side there is a bronzer shade, and on the other side this is the contour shade. So I really like this if you have a medium skin tone, because this is definitely on the darker side, and this is bronzer is like rust orange shade. So I really like this because you don't have to buy a bronzer and a contour shade separately. So next up I have this nail paint. This is the TS Matte Nail LML. What is TS? I don't know the full form, but this I saw on Nykaa, and this was very inexpensive. This is the shade Heart on the sleeves, and this is yeah, peachy kind of shade, as you can. This is the shade. So I really like this because it is on the peachier side, and this is matte. This is quite matte. So next I bought this Miss Claire single eye shadow. This is how it is. This is how it looks. Mine is unfortunately broken because it's so tiny every time. So mine is broken, as you can see. I have the shade 504, shade 504. So this is the shade 504, beautiful pink shade. So just make sure that it has a very small packaging, so you have to take care of that. Other than that, the pigmentation is good, and it was for rupees 160 after discount. And yeah, so this was the shade. So that's it, guys. These were all the products. I hope you liked this video, and do tell me if you have any of these products, or if you're buying this product. Do tell me in the comment section what are your thoughts, and if you're planning to buy any of these products. Subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends, and hit the like button if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then,